Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make butter chicken. Okay, so we're going to start with our butter chicken or chicken makhni. And this is not chicken tikka masala. This is actually chicken makhni, and we are going to make it with barbecue grilled chicken. So little of the onion paste, let it saute a little bit. Okay, now to this onion paste I'm going to add some ginger paste, our classic ginger paste, and garlic paste. Now all these recipes are there on our website. We use our own thing, so we know exactly what is the consistency, and so that's what I want you to look at our channel and you'll find all the recipes there. So just saute it a little bit into this. So we are making, first of all, we are making makhni sauce, which is a tomato-based sauce, and not too much onion will go into this. Now this is, my chicken is already barbecued very well, and I like to put that smoky barbecue flavor in my makhni. So to this we're going to add the butter chicken seasoning, or this is the Shan butter chicken seasoning. I like to take this because then I'm not messing around with a lot of different kind of spices, you know. So just saute this thing a little bit down. Already can feel the aroma of all the garam masala and everything. And to this I'm going to add my onion paste, tomato paste. Okay, we can saute this a little bit more, and now I'm going to add this is my chicken, which is the barbecue chicken. Add this, that smoky flavor to it. Let it go right into the sauce, and I'm going to add my chili paste. Okay, so I added the chili paste now, and I'm going to let this cook a little bit by adding some water. Let it simmer in this. You can see the rich red color which is there. Let it cook in this for maybe 10 minutes or so, closed. There we go. Okay, so now we let it simmer for maybe 5 minutes or so. It's nice and thick. To this I'm going to add my salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course we're going to add some sugar to the end, but now I'm going to add little, cashew paste, and let it cook. Yes, wow. Okay, so now this is almost ready. And to this I'm going to add our butter. That's what it is, butter and cream. So let's keep it high a little bit. I'm going to add my butter and let it melt, and then I'm going to add my cream and let it simmer for some time. Okay, so now our butter is melted, and this is what it is. This is makhni, so we gotta add nice cream into it. and stir it on very slow flame so it gets nice and thick. Nice and thick. Okay, so now this has thickened up on low heat for about 2 minutes. It was simmering. To this we are going to add toasted kasuri methi. This was already prepared before, toasted it. You can't add kacha kasuri methi. It has to spread like a fine powder. So you gotta really let it go inside it, like there you go. And then I'm gonna add, always whenever tomato, you wanna add little sugar so that sourness from tomatoes can go away. And so 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so now we added the kasuri methi and little sugar in. Let it simmer for maybe 1 minute or so. Voila! Our butter chicken makhani is ready.